Hello friends, welcome to Learn Paintbrush. Today we are going to draw a very simple drawing of night sky. Let us start. At first click on this oval shape. Draw this oval shape. Again one more, draw this oval shape over the first shape like this. Okay. Then click on rubber, that is eraser, and we just slightly rub some part of this shape. Enough. Then click on this fill with color, go to color palette and click on black color, and simply you have to click on page. Then for drawing different stars, click on brushes and select the first option, brush. Go to color palette, click on white color. Okay, and then you have to simply randomly draw the stars. If you want to draw some biggest star, then you have to simply hold the control key from keyboard and press the plus key. Like this you can draw the big stars. You have to only click randomly on the page. If you want again big star, then hold the control key, click on plus key. Like this you can create some stars. For decrease the size of cursor, again hold the control key and click on minus. Okay, now you can create a small star. Again click on minus. Now here are some smallest stars. Like this, with the help of very simple tools, you can create a night sky. You can also apply your own drawing logic while creating this sky. Thank you for watching the tutorial.